Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on saving Snapchat filters. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Snapchat app and tap on the laughing face emoji to the right of the camera button to get to the filters. All of the most popular filters are displayed in a row here for you to choose from. However, if you click on the Explore button in the bottom right corner, there is a ton of other filters to choose from. At the top, there are categories you can choose from, such as Trending and For You. If you find a filter that you like, you may want to save it to Favorites. To do that, tap Favorite at the bottom of the page below the camera button. The problem is though, when you save a filter to your favorites, it doesn't appear in that bar on the main camera screen. You have to tap on Explore and then For You to find it, which is not very convenient. In order to make a filter appear on the main camera filter bar, you need to tap on the filter to open it, and then take a picture by tapping the camera button. Then tap Save in the bottom left corner to save the image to your memories. Exit out of the photo and the filter, and then tap the arrow in the top left corner of the filters page to get back to your camera screen. Now, as you can see, that filter has saved to my filter bar to the right of the main Snapchat camera. So again, just tap on Explore, find the filter you want to save to your main Snapchat filter bar and tap on it to open it. Then take a snap with that filter and tap Save in the bottom left corner to save it to memories. Then when you go back to your main camera screen, your filter will be saved to the right of the camera button. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.